Yeah, it is now 3:20 and I have the rice here, and this is the pork dim sum, and this is how it is. I'm actually going to just put it there. Yeah. Oh, this is how it is. This is not coffee, this is hot chocolate. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, already almost 10 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, those are the clothes that I washed yesterday. I folded some, but not all. I had this coffee and the bread. And now I'm going to eat this rice. I'm going to reheat it, but I'm going to make a soup using this siomai. And if you notice this stain, yeah, this actually can't be removed by just a sponge. That's why I bought this yesterday. Oh, today my duty is 2 o'clock. So I'm night shift today. Yeah. I don't know. I checked my roster. It shows that I will be having many night shifts. Yeah. Because one of the new guy is going to be working in the breakfast. So yeah, so it's like a week change. I don't know. Yeah, I like breakfast so much because yeah, after work you are free to do anything. And working in a night shift would be like this. I will be free from when I wake up until yeah, at least at 12 o'clock. There's no so much flavor. There is taste, but no good. Let's check, maybe there's something else. Oh, this. Yeah, this creamy chicken. No, I put it here. So this is basically instant noodles. Just add hot water and ready to eat. Look at this. I was trying to tighten it, but yeah, it's cut. Yeah, you see, it's cut. I don't know how I'm going to take it out. And now taking the rest of the screw is the problem. I don't know if this is going to work. Yeah, no way that I can take it. And because of that, it means that I'm not going to use this one. I will be using my usual backpack. Yeah, it is now 16 minutes to 1 o'clock. I am making a coffee. Yo, and we are now here. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment. It really looks beautiful. I don't know why there is some kind of line in the water. Yeah, looks like a boat just passed through, but There is none. It's just yeah, the same equally good looking line. I don't know what's that. Yeah, but it's really beautiful. Yeah, we are going to work now. My duty today is 2 o'clock. It is going to be the first day of me working in the night. And then from time to time I will be having breakfast, dinner service. It was 11:50 when I left the house. No, 12:50 when I left the house. More than 1 hour allowance for me to come to work, relax, and still enjoying the scenery around here. Coming home to stay. And in here still there is a water, especially in this area. Yeah, it's beautiful in here, and it is low tide at the moment. You can see the grass. Oh, we're first going to this shop. You know, this is a beautiful car, Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, and the guy actually asked me if my bike is expensive. I said 2,700, and yeah, the guy said, oh, my car is just $3,000. It's a Mercedes-Benz. Maybe it's old, it's just properly maintained. It's good looking. Oh, we still have time, so we get through this way. And we will just be walking. I end up having this bacon and egg roll. Yeah, I was initially thinking of just banana bread, but then I end up having this. Look at that, it's beautiful, very calm. Nice. The water is now coming back to blue. Yeah, as you can see, and it's clear. No more the rain and flood water. Oh, it's been a very long time that again I'm going to sit here. Other side. So it's bacon, egg, and barbecue sauce. This is very simple, but it's delicious. The bread is crispy, toasted. The problem is I don't have any tissue in here. This is sometimes really messy to eat. Yo, good morning guys. I'll be having this cross bun. Yeah, this is a seasonal bread here in Australia. Yeah, and the time now is 8:16. Yeah, I just get up from the bed. It is now 10:25. Yeah, I finished this maybe 3 hours ago, and I am hungry again. That's why I'm going to reheat this. Yeah, the one that I cooked yesterday. I didn't eat last night. Last night I just had a bread and yeah, a bread. Yeah, I'm going to reheat this. And also this at the rice. And you notice? Yeah, it's still there are some stain, but it's clean looking. Yo, it is now almost 4 o'clock. I just woke up and just took a shower also. Yeah, I'm hungry already. Yeah. Okay, we are going out. We are going to leave that just there. We're going to buy a cup of coffee from here. Oh, they don't have banana bread. So yeah, this time we're going to try to buy a cup of coffee in Coles. In the petrol station. Yeah, according to Mr. Mike, the cup of coffee in Coles is similar to 7-Eleven. We will try this time for the first time. Yeah, this is the coffee they have. And I'm actually going to take us of this classic meat pie. This is $5. And we are now here in the Albura Marina. I have this coffee from Coles. This is $2.50. Yeah, similar to 7-Eleven. Actually, this one, the size is $3 in 7-Eleven. I'm not sure. Yeah, but I also have this meat pie. This is $5. So I paid $250. Look at that. If you see that Perry, there is some kind of a ceremony that is going on. Maybe it's a wedding ceremony. It looks like that. Nice. So maybe the ceremony is happening just like that, and then later on they will be roaming in the water. Yeah, so it will be like the reception will be while roaming. That's a good idea. Nice. And this is how it is at the moment. It is low tide. There are some people in there, few cars, and actually there is one tent. Yeah, there is one tent in there. Yeah, we're just going to sit here while eating this banana bread. And sitting here, you need to be careful because there are many poo-poo of the birds. Yeah, I still have this a little bit. It's cold now. I was sitting there for about an hour, and yeah, we are now here. I'm actually still a little bit hungry. I am tempted to buy fish and chips from there, but let's see. And I'm actually expecting a call from Chef Michele. You know Chef Michele, you see him in the video before. So basically he called me in the midday. He said he is here in Port Stephen doing some kind of scuba diving, actually near to my workplace. And he said he's going to call me, but my phone is running low. Oh, it's not switching on anymore. Maybe I should go home. Yeah, before we go home, we go first to the grocery. We buy something meat. We are going to get one of this raw prawn. This regular price $30, now $27. It's 850 grams. We're going to take one of this. This is $3. You know, this is like a toyomansi. Yeah, it's a citrus. It's like a lemon and soy sauce. Very much similar to the taste of toyomansi in the Philippines. We're going to take one of this. This is just $2 today.